Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Domingo. In this video, I'm going to add a new feature to this mini lathe. It will be a carriage locking mechanism. It's important when we are using parting tools to keep this one locked and avoid any movement. The carriage. As you see here, there is no any mechanism to lock the carriage. My plan is making a hole here with this NC screw, and then here I have a draft of what will be the piece where this screw is going to be, and lock in this mechanism here. So this is like a T-shape, and it will go inside here and lock the carriage when I tie the screw. And I will be using Allen key to move and lock the carriage. Okay. The first thing that I have to do is disassemble the cross slide and the compound to start working here on the saddle. I have marked the center of the saddle where the hole for the screw is going to be, and I'm going to proceed to make the hole with the drill press. This is the hole now that we have ready, and this is the screw, and it fit perfectly there. Totally flush. These are the pieces for the carriage lock. We have M6 by 1 threaded screw. The one is the pitch, and I think this is like 12 millimeters. This one is on a spring, and this spring is 12 millimeters long, and it is 0.8 millimeters wire. So this screw is like 14 millimeters. And this is the aluminum piece. It has a threading here, and this one goes here with the spring inside, and then here. Let's go and assemble it. Okay, it's ready. Now if we tighten it, it's tight there. There is no movement on the carriage. But if we untie it, then it can move. I really like because it's all flush and it looks like it's part of the lathe. These are the tools that I'm going to use for the carry log test. The first one will be this tool for facing operations. And the second one is this one. This is a parting tool that I'm going to use. I bought it mainly because this here is 1.4 millimeters, and it's the one that I use for the O-rings, since the O-rings are 1.5. This one will allow me to make the grooves for those O-rings and also for doing the parting of the material. As you see here, this tool has a V shape here, so it's a V shape here. This allows that it has some release here on the bottom. It will not touch the material here. And you have to be careful because this tool has two sides, as this one and this one. And in my case, this size came here, so it will be incorrect trying to put some materials with this size. So I have changed it and I'm going to use it like this. The first operation will be facing operation. We have to lock the carry lock here when so here we lock the carry. This is the result of the facing operation. It has that little sticking out on the center, but I think it's so minimal that it's okay to have it there. It's time for the parting tool now. Test. We lock the carriage. And we start. Now this one is a surface quality with the parting tool. Same little sticking out there, but I'm really happy with the quality. Overall, I'm really happy with the Carriage log, how improved the parting tool and the facing operation. And this will be everything for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and give me a like if you like the video. And I will see you on the next video.